This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hello, I'm Faye Fredericks with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. Several new developments on COVID-19. Help is on the way to Arizona. The White House COVID response team is sending 100 medical workers, including some paramedics, to Arizona. It's one of 6 teams being deployed around the nation. We're working to learn exactly where they'll be helping. New cases of the Omicron variant at the University of Arizona. University lab confirms 7 cases on campus. Nationwide, the CDC says the Omicron variant is now dominant, making up about 75% of cases. New data on boosters. The state health department report showing most people still haven't gotten their extra shot. About 3/4 of fully vaccinated Arizonans still need their booster. Health leaders stress the vaccine and booster are the best protection against severe cases and COVID deaths. New tonight, Arizona has officially recovered all of the jobs lost during the pandemic. Our state, the 3rd in the nation to reach full employment recovery. Across the nation, the U.S. has recovered 83% of jobs since early last year. Population growth in the U.S. has dipped to its lowest rate last year. That's because the pandemic curtailed immigration, delayed pregnancies, and killed hundreds of thousands of people. The U.S. population grew by only 1.1% from July of 2020 to July 2021. U.S. has been experiencing slow population growth for years, but this past year was the first time since 1937 that the nation's population grew by less than 1 million people. We're just days away from families and friends gathering to celebrate the Christmas holiday. While most grocery stores will be closed Christmas Day, there are exceptions. The stores that will be open include H Mart and El Rancho Market. Some CVS and Walgreens stores will also be open. All stores will be open Christmas Eve, but most of them will have reduced hours. To see a full list of stores and hours, head to abc15.com. Once the holidays are over, what do you do with your tree? City of Mesa encouraging people to recycle their fresh cut trees. There are several drop-off locations around the city that will be open December 26th through January 16th. All of the decorations do need to be removed from the trees. Wreaths are not accepted. To see a full list of locations, head to mesarecycles.org. We told you about the new medication hitting the market that could help people ditch their reading glasses, and now we're learning how it works. Those prescription eye drops are designed to correct blurry vision that comes with aging. The medication is called Vuity. The drug maker is Allergan. The company says all it takes is 1 drop in each eye, and you'll be seeing clearly in about 15 minutes for the next 6 hours.
The medication, actually, what it's doing is it's constricting or making your pupil smaller. So it's the opposite of dilation. Oftentimes people think when they go to the eye doctor, they have to get their eyes dilated for an exam. So this is the opposite, actually. So the drop is making the pupil smaller, and that allows us to have what's called an extended depth of focus.
The eye drops cost about $80 per bottle. It is not covered by insurance. Doctors say that's because glasses are still considered a cheaper alternative. Tracking new developments with the coronavirus, new research suggests that obese COVID patients are more at risk. Study says the virus appears to attack fat tissue directly, meaning obesity not only makes it harder for the body to fight COVID-19, but may also contribute to its severity, leading to long-haul symptoms.
So I think it's a wake-up call for us to really rejuvenate metabolic health, to really pour in resources into primary prevention, to change the school lunch program, to have healthy breakfast and lunch available for children.
The findings mostly from Stanford University School of Medicine. Researchers still have to have it peer reviewed, but the initial study provides good insight for doctors fighting a pandemic here in the U.S., where 73% of adults 20 and over are overweight or obese.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellins. Tracking some big changes as we head toward Christmas. High pressure has been in control for the last few days. Clouds streaming in today, but our forecast staying dry as we head into tonight. And then the next storm system digs down the California coastline, pumping more moisture our way Thursday into Friday. This one will end up passing to our north. Another one coming in right behind it, keeping the rain and snow chances across Arizona through the weekend. And then a third one potentially passing to our north early next week. So we are going to go go into a long stretch of daily rain and snow chances and cooler air as this temperature forecast continues to drop day by day through the Christmas weekend and into next week. Tomorrow we'll start things out in the 50s, 50 degrees at 6 a.m., 53 at 9, 66 degrees by noon, and then we'll touch the 70s in the afternoon forecast. Another day in the 70s, it looks like Thursday, and then the temperature drop hits into the 60s by Christmas, and Christmas Eve could end up being pretty wet across the state of Arizona.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.